Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, XRP. Specifically, we're going to explore why XRP could hit $100. I know this might sound bold, but stick with me, and I'll break down why this price target isn't as crazy as it may seem. Let's get into it. Segment 1. What is XRP? Before we jump into why XRP could hit $100, let's quickly cover what XRP actually is. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network. It's a digital asset designed to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been working with major financial institutions like Santander, American Express, and SBI Holdings to revolutionize how money moves across the globe. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP is more focused on streamlining the banking system, rather than being just a store of value or a decentralized platform. Segment 2. XRP's legal battle. With one of the biggest factors that could impact XRP's price is the ongoing legal battle with the SEC. For over 3 years, Ripple has been in a lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission over whether XRP is a security or not. While this case has dragged on, it has also brought a ton of attention to XRP. If Ripple wins or reaches a settlement, it could clear the way for institutional investors to jump into XRP without fear of legal ramifications. That would be a huge catalyst for its price. Segment 3. Institutional adoption. Now, let's talk about institutional adoption. Ripple has partnered with over 300 financial institutions globally, and this is a key factor in XRP's future. We're seeing banks and remittance companies increasingly turning to RippleNet, Ripple's payment network, because of its efficiency and low fees. As the demand for cross-border payments increases, XRP becomes more valuable as a bridge currency. If more financial institutions adopt Ripple's technology, the demand for XRP could skyrocket, driving up the price significantly. Segment 4. XRP's utility and speed. Let's talk about XRP's utility. One of the key selling points of XRP is its speed and scalability. It can settle transactions in just 3-5 seconds, making it one of the fastest cryptocurrencies on the market. Compare that to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can take minutes, sometimes hours, during peak periods. Ripple's XRP ledger is capable of processing over 1,500 transactions per second, which makes it ideal for global transactions. The higher the demand for fast, low-cost transactions, the more valuable XRP becomes. Segment 5. The RippleNet network and cross-border payments. Now, let's dig deeper into RippleNet's role in global payments. Cross-border payments are a multi-trillion-dollar market. Right now, banks are using outdated systems that are slow and expensive, with hefty transaction fees. Ripple's solution, powered by XRP, can help banks reduce those costs while speeding up the process. As more financial institutions adopt this technology, the demand for XRP will only rise. Remember, as RippleNet scales globally, the need for XRP increases to facilitate these transactions. This could push XRP's price upwards as its utility grows. Segment 6. The overall crypto market growth. Let's not forget the overall growth of the cryptocurrency market. The market cap for crypto has been growing year by year, with major adoption from retail and institutional investors. As the market matures, we could see more regulations, more infrastructure, and more use cases for crypto. With Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge, other coins like XRP, which have real-world utility, could see massive gains. When investors see XRP as a serious player in the cross-border payment space, it could drive the price up. Segment 7. Speculation and price targets. Now, let's address the big question. Can XRP actually hit $100? First off, let's take a look at its past performance. In 2017, XRP hit an all-time high of around $3.80, so hitting $100 would require a massive increase in demand and adoption. However, in the crypto world, anything is possible, especially if Ripple continues to expand its partnerships and XRP becomes the go-to solution for cross-border payments. Analysts and crypto enthusiasts have been throwing around price targets of $50 to $100, with some predicting even higher levels. While it's not guaranteed, it's not impossible either, especially with the right market conditions. Segment 8. Risks and challenges. However, it's important to note that there are risks. The SEC case is still unresolved, and any legal setback could hurt XRP's price. Also, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and external factors like government regulations or market crashes could impact its price. So, while XRP hitting $100 is possible, it's not without its challenges. So, what do you think? Can XRP hit $100? While it might seem like a stretch, when you consider Ripple's ongoing partnerships, XRP's utility, the future of cross-border payments, and the growth of the crypto market, it's clear that XRP has a lot of potential. But, as always, make sure to do your own research and stay informed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. I'll catch you in the next video.